Hi, this is Ridwan from ridwanarmy.com, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to add FeedBurner to WordPress. The first thing we'll need to do is to configure settings for WordPress blog feed. After that, we are going to sign up for and configure the blog feed in FeedBurner. And lastly, we will configure WordPress to use the new FeedBurner feed URL that's been given to us. Alright, for the first part, we are going to configure settings for WordPress blog feed. What I've done over here is to log in into my WordPress administration panel, and we are going to go into the settings and click on reading. And over here, you can specify how many posts to show in the blog feed at any one time. So if you want 10, you just type in 10. If you want 20, it will be 20. But normally, I see most bloggers use 10 posts to be shown for the blog feed. And the next part is for each article in the feed, show full text or summary. This is very debatable. Some bloggers say that full text is better, some say summary will be better, and the difference is for full text you'll be showing all of the content in the blog post, and summary will only show the first few parts of the blog post, and then there will be a link to read more, that kind of thing in the blog feed. So it's entirely up to you, but if you were to ask me, I would use the full text. So after you make changes to all of that, click on save changes, and you should be done. And now I'm going to show you how you're going to sign up for and configure the blog feed for FeedBurner. Now the next thing to do is to open up a web browser and go to worldwideweb.feedburner.com so that we can sign up for and configure the blog feed in FeedBurner. So if you already have a Google account, you can use that to log in into FeedBurner. If you don't have one, you can click on the create an account button over here. So I'm just going to do that right now with my own account, and then click on sign in. Now when you see a page that looks like this, the next thing to do is to burn that feed, and in our demonstration the feed address will be worldwideweb.username.sg/wordpress/feed. For your case, it will be something similar, and it can be something like worldwideweb.yourdomain.com/feed. So I'm going to do that for my own demo blog. So I'm not a podcaster, so I will leave this box unchecked and then click on next. So over here you will have the opportunity to give your feed a title and change the address a little bit. So the feed title is usually your blog title, and the feed address you can use some sort of a shorter form of your feed title, and in my case I would like to use something like username demo. So choose wisely and make sure that is relevant to your blog. So this will be your new FeedBurner URL. It will look something like feeds.feedburner.com/your feed title or something like that. So once I'm done, I'm going to click on next, and here we have is the FeedBurner feed URL. So this is the one that you'll be using from this point onwards. So make sure you copy that, and you will remember what to use the next time you need to use your feed URL. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you have an option to go and complete step 2. So I'm going to click on next, and to get more FeedBurner stats, all you have to do is click on all of these checkbox here and then click on next, and there we have it, a message that says that I've successfully updated the feed for FeedBurner demo. So that is the end of the second part of this video tutorial. Now we are going to make sure that our WordPress blog will be using this new FeedBurner feed URL from now on. For the last part of this video tutorial, we are going to configure WordPress to use the new FeedBurner blog feed URL, and we do this so that your subscribers will be using the new FeedBurner feed URL instead of the original feed URL. And I will show you what I mean by this. So if you were to look over here, there is an RSS icon here. Most browser will show it automatically, and if you were to click on it, you will see that the browser is now using the original feed URL, and we don't want that. We want to use the FeedBurner URL. So the FeedBurner URL that I'm referring to is this one over here. If you click on edit feed details in FeedBurner, it's supposed to be http://feeds.feedburner.com/ whatever it is that you have set for your own FeedBurner feed. So in my case, it's username demo. And to make WordPress use this new FeedBurner URL, we're going to use a plugin. So click on plugins and add new, and then search for FeedBurner. And to keep things simple, I would recommend that you just use FD FeedBurner plugin by John Watson. So you can click on install and configure the plugin. So I've already installed it, and now I will have to configure it. When you have already installed the plugin, go to plugins, FeedBurner configurations. Now all I have to do now is type in the FeedBurner feed URL, and I'm going to leave all the advanced options unchecked and click on save, and that will be all that you have to do. And I hope you can try this for your own blog, and all the best. Good luck.